Now next we will going to see the steps regarding how to compute the broadcast address of a subnet. So again, the user input is nothing but the IP address and the mask value that is configured on one of the machines present in the subnet. In our example, we have taken such a machine as machine B. So using this as the user input, let us see how to compute the broadcast address of a subnet. So follow the following steps to calculate the broadcast address. In step 1, obtain the network ID. So in the previous lecture, I have already discussed how to calculate the network ID. So the first step is to obtain the network ID of a subnet. In the second step, find the M dash. M dash is nothing but it is a complement of mask value 24. So in the previous slide, when the mask value was 24, you converted into binary representation such that the first 24 bits are all ones and the next 8 bits are all zeros. Right? Now you have to do something opposite, that is you have to find the complement of the mask value. So the complement of the mask value is nothing but do the opposite. That is the first 24 bits are all zeros and the remaining 8 bits are all ones. So we call this as M dash. Right? So you can see that the first 24 bits are all zeros and the remaining 8 bits are all ones. Now finally in the step 3, perform the logical OR operation between the binary result that you have obtained in step 1 and the step 2. So you obtain the following as the final result. Now finally convert each octet of this result which you have obtained in step 3 into its decimal equivalent. You will get 11.1.1.255/24, which is actually the network broadcast address of our subnet. So this is also fairly simple. Just follow the steps 1, 2, 3 and 4 to obtain the broadcast address of a given subnet. Right? So what does actually broadcast address means? We will discuss in detail the concept of broadcast address, but for now just assume that whenever a packet with the destination IP address is equal to broadcast address comes or lands in our subnet, all the machines present in our subnet will going to process and accept the packet. More precisely saying that the network layer of all the machines, note the word, network layer of all the machines will going to accept the packet if the destination IP address present in the packet is equal to the broadcast address, or if the destination IP address and the packet is equal to the IP address of the receiving interface of a device. In both the scenarios, the device will going to process and receive the packet. So this is how we compute the network broadcast address.